संप्रति योग में और वही सीता देवी का योग में जो और एक बता दिया ये दोनों ही साथ अद्वैत को प्रचारित साथ निभाना
Today is the auspicious appearance day of Srimati Sita Thakurani, the consort of Advaita Acharya. We are going to hear the glories of her. Sita Thakurani's mother had two daughters. One is Sita Thakurani and one is Sri Devi. In Bhakti Ratnakar Granth, this is mentioned.
आचार्य भाचार्य जगत पूजिका सर्वत्र विद्यमान श्रिया सीता श्री भक्ति रत्नाकर ग्रंथ में उल्लेख है
In Sri Bhakti Ratnakar Granth, it is mentioned that in Bhakti Ratnakar Granth it is mentioned that Sita Thakurani was got married to Sri Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya was the incarnation of Mahavishnu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in this world. The reasons are mentioned like this: two primary reasons and two secondary reasons for appearance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
और मुख्य कारण में और एक कारण कहता है अद्वैत आचार्य की
So the two main reasons are, one to reach the Radha Bhav, and the second reason was on the calling of Sri Advaita Acharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. These two are the primary reasons. Because Sri Advaita Acharya came to Sri Navadvip and he saw the bad condition of Navadvip and Kali Yuga's bad condition. So Brahmanas were not doing their dharmas properly, they are not performing their duties properly. And materialistic people are so much attached and they were drinking intoxication. And the wealthy people, wealthy persons, they are using all the money for prostitution. They started to worship so many demigods. They were not chanting the Lord's holy names. Even the highly scholared, by reading the scriptures, they used to do only logics. They used to go to take bath in the Ganges, but they will never do Ganga's prayers. They just keep speaking the materialistic words, things. Prajalpa. By seeing this, Sri Advaita Acharya was very unhappy. So Advaita Acharya started to think like this: I am Lord Vishnu and I construct this universe, I create, and I also take forms of Lord Shiva. So Advaita Acharya started to think like this: I will destroy this, everything, this world. At that time, from the sky a divine voice called out, Hey Advaita Acharya, Lord Krishna is going to appear here
अति सत्तर शीघ्र ही
very soon
नवद्वीप धाम में प्रकट
in Srinavadip Dham.
है। और उन्होंने जुगल संस्कार धर्म आदि स्थापन किया। किंतु तथापि अद्वैत ऐसे करके अद्वैत आचार्य की तो सांत्वना हुई सुनकर जाकर।
So,
तथापि अद्वैत आचार्य विचार
by hearing this, Lord Advaitacharya pacified himself, but he wanted to come, Lord Krishna to come very fast in the form of Mahaprabhu.
किंतु अद्वैत विचार करने लगे प्रभु कब आएंगे पता ही नहीं। शीघ्र बता रहे कि शीघ्र मतलब है एक दिन में 2 दिन में 1000 दिन।
So Advaitacharya was thinking like that he will come soon means how much soon? In 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, 1 year?
और हाथ में गंगा जल।
So what he did, he started severe prayers to the Shaligram by taking Ganga Jal and Tulsi leaves, offering it to the Shaligram. So if anyone offers Ganga Jal and Tulsi Dal to the Lord's lotus feet, the Lord will be so pleased. So Lord Advaitacharya called Lord by like this. So Lord had to come. When Advaitacharya started to call out, Lord came. So Advaitacharya used to call out, "Oh Narayan, come fast." So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also telling this Advaitacharya calling out Narayan. Nara means shaking. So this Advaitacharya shaked me through his prayers. So the 2 concerts of Advaitacharya was, one is Sita Thakurani and another is Sri Devi.
सीता रूपेण अवतीर्ण श्री नामनी तत्प्रकाश भगवती जोगमाया अद्वैत प्रभु पत्नी सीता देवी एवं उनकी प्रकाश श्री रूप के रूप में संप्रति प्रकट हुई। अभी सीता देवी की।
So now we will hear about Sri Sita Thakurani.
सीता ठाकुरानी जगत माता की इस प्रकार इतना महान रूपी माता जी स्थिति देवी।
So this Sita Thakurani is Jagan Mata, like how Sachi Mata for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the same way, Sita Thakurani is Jagaturja and Jagat Mata, the mother of the universe, because she is Yog Maya. So at the time of Gaur Sundar's naming ceremony, at that time Advaita Acharya along with his consort Sita Thakurani, he came into the house of Jagannath Mishra. Advaita Acharya has 2 houses, one in Mayapur and another in Shantipur. So he has 2 houses. So he used to do bhajan sajan in these places. So Mahaprabhu is telling, Srila Maharaj is telling that when he visited Navadvip, he went to Shantipur near the branches of Ganga. So he's just sharing his experience with devotees.
उनकी जो भी खासी जो है गंगा का भाई है इतने सुंदर उस स्थान जाने से ही हृदय कितने प्रफुल्लित हो जाए आनंद हो जाए आम की बाला बगीचा है लेकिन जब हम लोग गए थे उस समय
So Mahaprabhu is telling that how beautiful that place was. By going there, the mind got so much refreshed. There was so many mango trees on all the four directions. Cuckoo birds are making sounds. Like how in Vrindavan, peacock dance and peacock are being mesmerized by the sound of Ganga, sound of Yamuna. In the same way, there also the cuckoos make his sounds just by hearing these sounds of Ganges. And even in Navadip Dham, especially नूपुर नूपुर मतलब क्या टिकोरा मतलब so Srila Maharaj is telling that how this mango the mango which is not ripened just started in a small way, sprouted in a small way. It gives a beautiful fragrance. In this way, that place was completely with the fragrance of these mangoes. So, Jagannath. So, Advaita Acharya used to stay along with his wife in Shantipur.
अद्वैताचार्य भार्या जगत पूजिता आज्ञा तार नाम सीता ठाकुरानी आचार्य रत्नमया केल उपहार लया देखिते बालक शिरोमणि जब सच्चिदानंद गौरहरि
When Sri Sachinandan Gaurahari, Sri Mahaprabhu appeared in this world, so Advaita Acharya along with his concern Sri Sita Thakurani, he took many kinds of preparations, gifts. He went to Mahaprabhu's house.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु के आविर्भाव समय से ही वहाँ सीता ठाकुरानी सची मां के पास ही
So at that beginning, from the appearance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sita Thakurani used to stay near Sachimata's house. And especially every day she used to take bath in Ganga and associate with Srila Haridas Thakur. And Jagannath Mishra used to discuss spiritual topics with Advaita Acharya. So here it is mentioned how in Dwapar Yuga, at the time of Krishna's appearance day, in Nanda Maharaj's house, Yogamaya Bhagavati appeared. Similarly like that, Sita Thakurani in Mayapur, so by staying near Jagannath Mishra and Sachimata's house, she used to instruct very beautifully to Sachimata. देखिया बालकठाम साक्षाद गोकुलकाम वर्णमात्र देखि विपरीत चैतन्य चेतामृत में भी वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं जब सीता ठाकुरानी. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned the Sita Thakurani had darshan of these small kids, Gaurahari, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and she prepared so many delicious food and she took it to Sachimata's house. Especially Sri Mahaprabhu, especially having the darshan of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, she started to think that she is not different from Krishna, but only different is color of his body. So here Jagannath Mishra, Sita Thakurani and Advaita Acharya, they started to speak, discuss. So they said, "Oh Jagannath Mishra, your small kid is not different from Krishna. Krishna is like blue jewel stone, but he is like molten gold." In the same way, Sita Thakurani, in the Vatsalya Bhav, she used to instruct Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Mata in many ways. And Sachi Mata, with Vatsalya Prem, filled with Vatsalya, love, Sachi Mata and Sita Thakurani. So she used to bless both the kids, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his elder brother.
इन सचिवा की कई गर्भ पुत्र संतान आदि नष्ट होने के बाद मान प्राप्त, इसलिए लोग भैसे और जाकिनी संकिनी भैसे नाम रखा क्या? निमाय। अथवा नीम वृक्ष के नीचे नीम सीता होते हैं,
इसका और निमाय का मतलब क्या है महाराज?
निमाय शब्द भी करते हैं, ये पहले तो नीम वृक्ष के नीचे जन्म और कहते हैं नीम पत्ता क्या होता है? कड़वा होता है। तो उसे नीम पेड़ के नीचे जन्म होने से ये भूत पेट पिशाच साकिनी बकरी नहीं आता।
So here Srila Maharaj is telling that they named the small kid who Sachimata and Nimai's father Vishwambar. So Sachimata and Jagannath Mishra named their newborn kid as Nimai. Why they named as Nimai? Because two reasons. One, he born under the tree of Neem tree, and another name, like witches and other ghosts, they don't come near the Neem tree. So they named him as Nimai. So these are the two reasons keeping the name Nimai. So, if you see in many places, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's form is DT is made up by wood, wooden DT. And what is this wood? It is made by neem tree.
जिस पेड़ में वो सब शंख चक्र गदा पद्म चिन्ह रहा है।
Even Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, even these deities in Jagannath Puri, the main deities are made by neem tree. So neem is like a sacred tree in India. So Sachimata and so Sachimata kept the name as Nimai for his kid.
जैसे राधा जी की जब जन्म हुई ना, सब दर्शन में कितने सुंदर
So like example Maharaj is giving, like Radha Rani, when she took birth, every people used to say she's so beautiful, she's so beautiful. Same like Ashtami Tithi, the 8th day.
ज्ञानदास चंडीदास की ज्ञानदास की कृष्ण में है ये जो लोग वो बनाते हैं क्या बोले कुंडली बनाते हैं कुंडली बना करके उसके नामकरण करते हैं
So many people make the chart, birth chart, and keep the name accordingly matching to the birth chart.
कभी दिखते हैं है ये कुंडली बनाने वाले जो है ब्राह्मण जो कुछ भी करे है हम लोग उसके नाम रख दिया राधा
So
और इतने सुंदर उनके मन में मुस्कान है
the Radharani's father,
राधा ही नाम
Vrishabhanu Maharaj, was saying that whoever write any birth chart and whatever they suggest, but I will keep the name as Radha only. Radha means she is so beautiful.
विचार करने लगे
So in the same way,
हाँ
Sita Thakur Rani also said to Nimai's mother Sachimata to keep the name Nimai in this way.
इसके पश्चात सीता ठाकुरानी फिर नवद्वीप से शांतिपुर लौट कर गए। किंतु आगे के लिए उनके मन नहीं लगता पुनः
After this, Sita Thakurani came back to Shantipur from Navadvip, but her mind was still in Mayapur. So after that, she shifted back to Mayapur.
सुंदर के आविर्भाव के समय से ही सीता ठाकुरानी और अद्वैत आचार्य
So from the time of appearance of Sri Gaursundar, Sita Thakurani and Advaita Acharya used to stay very near to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's house.
और सची देवी दोनों मानो एक प्राण
Sita Thakurani and Sachidevi, they are like
भाव से
one soul, two bodies. They were like that. And both used to take care of Sri Nimai, Sri Mahaprabhu.
थोड़ा बड़ा होने लगे है जिसे हमारे कीर्तन भी करते हैं तो देखो देखो यासी जतन देवासी আমার গৌরাঙ্গ চাঁদি আর প্রভাতে উঠিয়া অঞ্চল ধরিয়া নমিতে মা বলি কাঁদে আমি নহি গোয়ালিনী কোথা পাপননি একই বিষম হইল প্রভাতে উঠিয়া অঞ্চল ধরিয়া নমিতে মা বলি কাঁদে এখন কে উধার জ্বালায় প্রাণ যায় মা দে দে মা ননি দে বাংলা कीर्तन को सुनिए निमाना छोटा है
So this is a Bangla Kirtan Maharaj sang. So when Nimai was small, 2.5 years, he started to speak. That time Sachimata,
भी ऐसे देख करके सारे दुनिया वासी मानो बुला करके करेंगे देखो देखो आसी जब तक नदीवासी
so Sachimata called all the Nadia Vasis, the residents of Nadia, and said, see our Nitai.
अंचल पकड़ करके बोले
अंचल मतलब क्या? अंचल मतलब क्या?
अपने की जो है अंचल
So what Nimai was doing in the morning, he took the anchal. Anchal means the cloth's tip.
क्या दो
And he started to say, give me butter, give me butter. Mother, oh mother, give me butter.
सची माँ क्या बोलती? आमी नहीं प्राण, आमी नहीं।
So what did Sachi mother Sachi said?
सची माँ करे, मैं तो ब्राह्मणी।
So Sachi mother telling that I am Brahmani.
ग्वालिनी है जो
I am not Gwalini. Gwalini means cowherd woman. I am not cowherd woman. I am a Brahmani. So cowherd women give butter.
अंधेरानी है और बाबा निमाय माँ सचित माँ की अंचल पकड़ करके कहने लगी।
Okay. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu hold the tip of the cloth of Sachi Mata and telling, oh mother, give me butter, give me butter. So Mother Sachima said, oh my kid Nimai, give me some time. When it become sunrise, we will go to cowherd boy's house and we will get the butter. And now what small kid Nimai telling? So Nimai is telling, oh mother, I am so hungry. I cannot control my hunger. I want now. I want now. Butter. Give me now. So Sachimata is saying now, Muri.
और बंगाली के घर में आपको ये जरूर मिलेगा।
Muri मिलेगा.
मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा?
So this flat rice is commonly available in Bengal in everyone's house. So Sachimata is telling, oh my kid, please eat this flat rice. So Nimai telling, no, I want butter only. And he started to cry. So now Sachimata telling, so when Kanai Prabhu used to sing the Bengali Kirtan, Srila Gurudev, Srila Param Gurudev, Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to cry. So Maharaj is telling, this is the sweetness of Bengali Kirtans. So now Sachimata is telling, so Sachimata is telling, I heard from Srimad Bhagavatam in the Dwapar Yuga, Lord Krishna, in the house of Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda, he appeared and he was also doing like this naughty things. Without butter, he cannot live for 1 minute also. But in my house, there is no butter. What to do? What? Are you the same Krishna, the Nimai? So how that be possible? Krishna was black color and our Nimai is golden color. So she was thinking like that. One day, so this small boy Nimai, 2.5 years, dies. So morning he woke up, handicapped, his pose like Krishna. Don't know from where he got the flute. He started to play the flute and everyone's heart was melted. So Sachimata is telling here, Is my small kid is Krishna?
हो नहीं सकता।
No, no, no,
ये तो
no.
सारे कृष्ण की आचरण
It would be not possible because
ये तो दिखाई
the
पड़ता है।
activities of Krishna,
ओए आसी,
we can see in, although we can see in Nimai,
हमारा रंग चांदी प्रभाते उठिया त्रिभंग होइया सजे मुरली बाजाए। तो इसी का मैं इसलिए कारण यह बात कहा नहीं, ये सब कथा जो है सच्ची मान कभी कभी सीता ठाकुरानी के निकट
so Sachi Mata used to narrate all these things in front of Sita Thakurani. Yogmaya. 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 So Sita Thakurani is Yogmaya herself.
तो उसी प्रकार सीता ठाकुरानी इस कथा को
So in this way, Sita Thakurani,
मन मन
hearing this katha, she used to feel so much pleased in her heart.
ये तुम्हारे बालक निमाई
And she used to say that your kid Nimai is actually not different from Krishna.
पास नहीं करते।
He's so much merged in the Vatsalya Ras, Sachi Devi. Please have faith on me.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कार्य
So here
ये सब
it is mentioned further, after seeing all these scenes,
बालक निमाई
how small kid Nimai
धाम में
in Navadvip Dham,
माँ दशरथ की एक माँ
Sachi Mata,
साथ में कैसे
along with Sachi Mata, what kind of leelas he did in Vatsalya Ras. He enjoyed it. Dandat Pranam Madhav Maharaj Ji ki jai.
और सीता ठाकुरानी
And Shri Sita Thakurani,
जसोदा देवी के जो है ये सची देवी के जो है
Sachi Devi,
गौर सुंदर पालन की दिशा में अनेक प्रकार जो है
and
उपदेश
Mother Sita Thakurani used to instruct Sachi Mata how to take care of this small kid Nimai.
आगे की कथा वर्णन करते हैं।
Further in the story it is mentioned.
महापुर के माई के बड़े भाई विश्वरूप
So Vishwarup, the elder brother of Sri Nimai, he took sannyas and left the house and went. So at that time Sachi Mata and Jagannath Mishra,
बड़े शोक में
they were in depression. Hari Hari Bol.
उस समय अद्वैत आचार्य
So at that time Advaita Acharya or Sita Thakurani
विशेष रूप में जो है
and Sita Thakurani,
जो है
especially they used to console these couples, Sachi Mata and Jagannath Mishra.
इसी प्रकार
In this
गौर
way,
सुंदर की शैशव लीला वैष्णव लीला यौवन लीला आदि
Gaur Sundar's Kishore Leela, childhood pastimes, and Yavan Leela, the young boys, young pastimes, Sita Thakurani had darshan of all these leelas.
और विशेष करके
And especially Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he took sannyas and left to Vrindavan, but Nityananda Prabhu, he took back to the house of Advaita Acharya's house in Shantipur. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
अद्वैत आचार्य के गृह में जब रहने लगे
when he started to stay in Advaita Acharya's house,
और विशेष करके वहीं पर
and especially there,
रहा करके कि सीता ठाकुरानी और अद्वैत आचार्य
Sita Thakurani and Advaita Acharya both,
महाप्रभु के लिए अनेक प्रकार जो है
they used to cook so many delicious preparations for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All these kirtans, katha is mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavat and Chaitanya Charitamrita scriptures,
इस प्रकार
like how Sri Nityananda Prabhu,
महाप्रभु जो है शांतिपुर में
with Mahaprabhu, he brought Mahaprabhu back to Shantipur.
और अद्वैत आचार्य के गृह की तथा अनेक कथाएं
And there are so many stories of Sri Advaita Acharya's house. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to do dance and vilas. One day, Mahaprabhu, while doing the Nam Sankirtan, at the time,
भगवत जानकारी के रूप में बहुत सम्मान आदि करते प्रणाम करते किंतु चैतन्य महाप्रभु विचार
Advaita Acharya used to pay obeisance to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, thinking that he is Lord himself. Madhavendra Puri. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to think that Advaita Acharya is our Guru Varga because Advaita Acharya took initiation from Madhavendra Puri. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took initiation from Ishwara Puri.
महाप्रभु के अतिपत जो है आदर स्नेह सम्मान आदि करते हैं।
So Advaita Acharya used to honor Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He used to respect.
एक लीला भी प्रस्तुत किया। अद्वैत आचार्य जानबूझ करके एक दिन क्या करने लगे, जो वासिष्ठ जो है ग्रंथ जो है जिसके कहा जाता है,
So one Leela, Advaita Acharya one day purposefully he took Yoga Vasishtha, the Mayavada's book.
उसमें जीव ब्रह्म की रूप में ही
So in that Jeev, Brahma Roop and so many things are there.
लीला आदि करने लगे।
So he started to do Leela.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु शांतिपुर में पहुंच गए।
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached Shantipura at that time.
ग्रंथ
Advaita Acharya was reading this particular scripture,
जहाँ पर ऐसे
and when Mahaprabhu came to know that about this Apasiddhant book Advaita Acharya was reading, so Mahaprabhu used to hit Advaita Acharya like anything. At that time Sita Thakurani pacified Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and stopped him. Said, "Oh Mahaprabhu, don't hit. My husband will die."
उम्र कितने फर्क है, कम से कम
Advaita Acharya's age was 70-80 years. Like he was more older than Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
तो अब अद्वैत
So these are the sweet pastimes. Advaita Acharya was feeling so happy.
सदा सर्वदा मुझे
This Nimai is always
श्रेष्ठ मानते हैं।
think me as
भगवान
highest person.
ये भाव
I know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Lord himself.
निमाई की हम कृपा प्राप्ति।
Today I took the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
अनेक लीला
In this way, Mahaprabhu's many leelas are mentioned.
और ये समस्त लीला आदि है। और विशेष करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु सन्यास लेकर के जब जगन्नाथपुरी में रहे,
And especially when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and was staying in Jagannath Puri, Advaita Acharya and Sita Devi, Sita Thakurani,
4 महीने काल तक
4 months
4 महीने काल तक जगन्नाथपुरी में ही
for Chaturmasya, they stayed along with Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri.
और पूरी धाम में रह करके
And in Jagannath Puri,
आचार्य महाप्रभु ने कैसे सेवा दी।
staying in Jagannath Puri, they used to do seva of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One time Advaita Acharya started to think that this
केवल महाप्रभु की मैं सेवा करूं। अनेकों वैष्णव
Advaita Acharya used to think that in my house I will do the seva of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only.
ठीक हो रहा है, किसी नहीं हो रहा है, कम बेसी हो जाता
There are so many Vaishnavas.
है। अद्वैत
Some seva is happening properly, some sevas are happening improperly, but I will do only Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu seva in my house by feeding him
महाप्रभु के नियम
the beautiful and delicious prasad.
सन्यासी है ना, सन्यासी कहीं अकेले
So Mahaprabhu cannot go alone because he is sannyasi.
और कहते हैं
At least one sevak he should take. And they used to say that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go along with his 4 to 6 disciples. In Advaita Acharya's mind,
महाप्रभु की सेवा
there was a feeling that I will serve only Mahaprabhu.
ये जो भक्तवंशा भगवान को पूरा नहीं करते। महाप्रभु सब भक्त के
Because sometimes devotees also tease Lord
के गृह में हम
out of love. And Mahaprabhu used to say that today we will reach Advaita Acharya's house, we will have prasad.
और अद्वैत आचार्य महाप्रभु
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to reach Advaita Acharya's house fast, and his disciples used to not reach because there was heavy rains happening, so no one would reach Advaita Acharya's house.
पत्ता जो है
And there is a beautiful explanation that a big, when very beautiful banana leaf was spread,
नागिनी कितनी प्रकार की जो है
and many types of sabjis, vegetable preparations
और अद्वैत
were prepared for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for Sita Thakurani and Advaita Acharya.
ये महाप्रभु बोले कितने हम ऐसे कैसे कर
Mahaprabhu said, how can we take how can I take
बोले आप
this
भी
so much?
जगन्नाथ
Both were
तो
doing
जगन्नाथ के सामने
humors
आप
on each other.
कितने प्रसाद ग्रहण देते हैं और आपके हाथ क्या बोले धोने के पहले आप ग्रहण करते क्योंकि ठाकुर वहीं पर कहते हैं
So Advaitacharya is telling that, oh Mahaprabhu, you take Sri Jagannath's Mahaprasad without washing your hands. You are so eager to eat.
तो ये तो आपकी कुछ ही नहीं है प्रभु
So this Mahaprasad is like nothing, Mahaprabhu.
आचार्य
So in this way, Sri Advaitacharya
सीता ठाकुरानी
and Mother Sita Thakurani
अनेक प्रकार की जो है
has parihas.
सुंदर के प्रिय खाद्य द्रव्य सामग्री
They used to prepare so many different kinds of preparations and they used to serve it to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned like this. In this way, Mahaprabhu's love. So how Sri Chaitanya, Sri Sita Thakurani used to be in Vatsalya Ras with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's love. So Sita Thakurani's sons were Achyutananda, Krishna Mishra and Gopal. 3 kids were born. And all 3 devotees were Nitya Parshads of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So today is the divine appearance day of Sita Thakurani. And asking the blessings of Sri Radha Govind and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are ending this story here. Harikatha here. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha krupasindhubhya patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namo dandat pranam all Vaishnavas. Tomorrow morning we'll meet again in the Harikatha.